Hi guys, how are you? I just want to share with you something that is really, it's become a lifesaver for me. This is called Needles No More, No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. What it is a gel, is what's an eye depuffing gel. So about the product, it minimizes the appearance of under eye bags and puffiness. It reduces the look of dark circles, restores a youthful eye contour for a smooth appearance, and protects from damage caused by irritants and pollutants. So I think it's a really common thing, especially with women, that we unfortunately get dark circles and bags under our eyes. I know this last month with work had been crazy for me. I really didn't get many days off, and I was due to lack of sleep and everything. I unfortunately got some dark circles and really puffy eyes, and you don't want to show that when you go to work, so you want to make sure you have whatever you can to kind of help with that, because I feel like your eyes are the thing on your face that really gives away your age a lot. Most of the time you could see bags under your eyes, and now, as women, we feel so much pressure to look youthful and to look younger, and there's every product you could think of on the market, but really this is just a lifesaver to me. So it's a needle-free solution that instantly minimizes under eye bags, puffiness, and dark circles while providing long-term results. Within minutes, this advanced formula provides a tightening effect and smooths the under eye contour to visibly reduce the appearance of under eye bags and dark circles for an immediately brighter, well-rested look. So who doesn't want that? It also works over time to renew the under eye area for a consistently smooth and improved appearance. This product was founded by Dr. Brandt, a visionary in the world of cosmetic dermatology. Dr. Brandt Skincare aims to bring Dr. Brandt's skin-changing science to at-home treatments. Each product is carefully researched and developed using the Brandt method, a proprietary means of bringing together the expertise of an advisory board of forward-thinking experts, as well as an exclusive partnership with the University of Miami's Department of Dermatology and Cutaneous Surgery, ensuring that Dr. Brandt Skincare is always at the forefront of groundbreaking findings. So it says here, Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. We could go to the back here. Back says for all skin types, eye depuffing gel. Dr. Brandt recommends after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on eyes and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. Caution, for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If excessive irritation develops, discontinue use and consult your physician. Dermatologist tested and suitable for contact lens wearers. So this is a 0.5 ounce container or 15 grams. It is distributed by Cosmetic Dermatology Incorporated in Miami, Florida. Made in the USA. This has the little, I forget what it's called, but you just squeeze it out. What type of top this is. Or what type, it's just like a squeegee, I guess you call it. There's a word for it and it's not coming to mind for some reason. So this is what the product looks like. It's actually like beige-ish, tan color, and as you can see, it just kind of rubs right into your skin. So you're supposed to just like the directions say, warm it in between your fingers for a few seconds, and then you can kind of just not rub in, but just gently kind of place on the eye like this, go underneath your eye like this, rather than rubbing in, because that can lead to even more wrinkles, and nobody wants that. So the product dimensions are 1.2 by 1.2 by 4.9 inches. And then I don't want to butcher the ingredients for you, but there's water, sodium, magnesium silicate, lecithin, caffeine synthetic, glutamine, sodium hyaluronate, soybean folic acid, titanium dioxide, caesalpinea spinosa fruit extract, and methyl chalcone, just to name a few for you guys. So directions, really easy. Gently pat directly on eye bags and circles. Use alone or under makeup. I even use it at night as well. The full size, this is the full size, and it's awesome. And I just apply after my moisturizer, and it squeezes out really easily. And a little bit grainy. So just if you do find that it's a little hard to squeeze out, just squeeze a pin, because it just might be one of the greens is stuck in the opening. So that's totally normal. It's just like, this gives you instant gratification. You may need to some longer terms, you know, for like longer term, you might need to use something else. But to, you know, get rid of my bags and my puffiness, this 100% works, and I'm super happy with it. So this was Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. This is good for ladies and gentlemen. So I hope that you guys found the video useful, and I thank you for watching. Have a great night, everybody.